Meaning of explosion.
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 Explosion. An explosion is a sudden and violent release of energy from a confined space, often resulting in a loud noise, a blast of hot gas, and debris being propelled outward. Depending on the size and intensity of the explosion, it can cause widespread destruction to buildings and infrastructure, as well as severe injury or death to people and animals in the vicinity. The aftermath of an explosion can include fires, smoke, and secondary explosions caused by flammable materials ignited by the initial explosion. In summary, an explosion can cause catastrophic damage and loss of life.